I have come across so much content at this point around gold card, golden card, everything that exists. But can you just give us a broad understanding of what the gold card or golden card is?
Basically, but you're gonna get a residency for $5 million.
So right now, this is just a proposal. There are no timelines, like nothing that has been shared on what this would look like.
So there were reports that it might be a replacement for EB5 program. But again, we don't have those details yet.
So are there any differences between EB5 and gold card today?
So EB5 is the investor-based program, right, where you invest certain amount of money and then you get the green card. But there are conditions attached to it.
Hi everyone, I am Priya from It's Okay and welcome back to our channel. The topic for today is the gold card or the golden card versus EB5. There's so much that is going around that we have with us immigration lawyer Sonal Sharma, who will help us break it down a little bit. Hi Sonal, how are you?
Hi Priya, I'm good, and you?
Good. So we'll get straight into it. I feel like I have come across so much content at this point around gold card, golden card, everything that exists. But honestly, as we were doing research, it did not to us seem that there was anything material that was new about the gold card or not enough information. So we thought it is only ideal that we really talk to the expert and have a conversation with you. So I think for anyone who's listening, can you just give us a broad understanding of what the gold card or golden card is?
Sure. So we don't, as you mentioned, there's not much information available at this point. So President Trump announced that they're going to roll out a program for gold cards, which is basically that you can, I don't know if there's going to be investment requirement. That's not what the information we have, but basically, but you're going to get a residency for $5 million. Now, I don't know how that looks like, whether it's going to be investment in a property, investment in a business. We don't have the details yet, but the little details that we had were that it's going to be, well, they're going to be selling green cards for money, which is $5 million. And there will be a path to citizenship, which means there might be requirements that years or investment or whatever. Now then you can become a US citizen as well. And while you are on that gold card, your only income generated in the US will be taxed and not the worldwide income, which is the case for green card holders. Or anybody in US who's on visa, you have to pay taxes on your global income. But that was one of the information that was released a little bit that might be the case. So we don't know exactly what the process is going to look like, what the requirements are going to be. We're still waiting on information on that.
Got it. So right now, this is just a proposal. There are no timelines, like nothing that has been shared on what this would look like.
Yes. So it was just proposed. We don't have information yet. So there were reports that it might be a replacement for EB5 program. But again, we don't have those details yet, whether it's going to be replaced or it's going to be a concurrently, established program just for different audience or different consumers or customers.
Yeah, I think I have the answer to this, but I don't want to make assumptions. So I will just ask you. The EB5 is the well-known investor program today. So are there any differences between EB5 and gold card today? Is it just the investment value that we know of, or is there anything else?
So for EB5, there are few things that we know, right? Just to explain. It's a big
can you
program.
explain what EB5 is, and then I think.
Yeah. So EB5 is the investor-based program, right, where you invest certain amount of money and then you get the green card. But there are conditions attached to it. First of all, there are only limited number of visas, only 10,000 visas a year, right? Then there is minimum amount of investment that has to be done depending on whether you are investing in a regional center or direct investment. The current EB5 program is approved until 2027. with cases that will be filed by September 2026 will be grandfathered, means those will be adjudicated beyond 2027 as well. Anything filed after September 2026, and if the program stops, there is no grandfathering of those cases. We'll see whether those get adjudicated or not. But right now, if you file before September 2026, you will be grandfathered, means anybody who has filed will get the green card if you meet all the requirements. And there is a requirement for creating 10 jobs per investor, full-time jobs. Those could be direct, indirect. And the biggest criteria for EB5 investment is the investment that you are making, the source of fund has to be legitimate. It has to come from legal sources, and you have to account for it down to the penny. So if you're investing $1 million, where is that $1 million coming from? You will have to show the whole source where that money is coming. So if you're saying, I sold my house for $1 million and I'm using the proceeds, how did you buy the house? You have to show where did you get the money to buy the house. If you say, I inherited it from my father, where did your father get the money to buy the house? So you actually have to go to the source of the funds where it is generating. So it's easier if you say, I'm a W-2 employee. I invested $100,000 in stock 20 years ago. Today they are $1 million. Very easy, straightforward. You can show, you can sell the stock, show the money. You can show W-2 income. You purchase the stocks. It has grown. You sold the stock and you invested. Easy. But might not be easy in terms of like where the money is coming from, non-traditional sources. So that's the biggest thing. Now, to Gold Card, we don't know whether, we only know that it's going to be for $5 million. We don't know if there is a requirement for source of funds, that you have to show where the $5 million is coming. We don't know if there is any job creation requirement there, that you have to create jobs. You could just buy like a mansion for $5 million and could qualify, right? Like there are some schemes in Portugal or Greece where if you buy an apartment, you get residency. You invest $200,000, you get residency, right?
Yeah.
It could be that. It could be that. We don't know.
So the number is $5 million for Gold.
Yes.
And for
that's what was announced.
And for EB5, what is that number?
800,000 in a regional center, $1 million 50 in if it is not in a rural area project.
Okay, so right now we don't have a lot of information, but for anyone who's watching, I hope you have a lot more clarity on the fact that the Gold Card is just a proposed program for $5 million. We don't know what that would look like, but I hope you have some clarity on what EB5 is, and that is the current program that is supposed to be valid till 2027 for anything that is filed by September 2026. Awesome. So I think that's it, Sonal. Those were my questions. Thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate the time. Of course, as usual, I will leave all of Sonal's details in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. Thanks again.